welcome back. Today we are going to tackle the SQL machine on the Starting Point series. For the first task, as you might remember from the previous exercise, SQL stands for Structured Query Language. In order to answer the second task, we need to run some basic enumeration. Nothing out of the ordinary at this point. At first glance, we can see port 3306 is open, but this is only a preliminary analysis. Once Nmap is done scanning, we can see that the only port available out of the 1000 ports scanned. As a matter of fact, that available port is a MySQL service port. In the description, we can see the version and the name of the database. What community developed MySQL version is the target running. That's going to be MariaDB. What switch do we need to use in order to specify a login username for MySQL server? The answer is -u. Now it's time to start exploring the database. We start by typing MySQL-h and the IP address of the target. In this case, -h is going to specify the IP address that is running on. Otherwise, we will be connecting to the MySQL service running on our machine. Then we type -u for the user and root. MySQL gets a root user installed by default. Sometimes that root user won't have a password and you can log straight in. Perfect. Now we are inside Maria's database. So, for task 5, the username that allows us to log into Maria's database without providing a password is going to be root. Back in our terminal, let's type on the command line show databases and a semicolon at the end. We are shown 4 main categories in the database. Let's go ahead and explore the first option. Let's type in the command line, use HTTP and close with a semicolon. Let's display whatever tables it has by typing show tables and semicolon. Shall we explore the users table? Go ahead and type describe users semicolon. Now, In order to display everything from this table, let's type select $sign from users and semicolon. Here we get every username with their unique ID and email address. But we didn't really find the flag. Let's go a few steps back and type show tables again in order to display the two subcategories. This time, let's choose config. Go ahead and type describe config semicolon. Finally, let us show everything that could be inside this table. Type select $sign from config and close the query with a semicolon. Perfect, we got the flag.